Jai Srimanarayana. 17th sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tad buddhayaha tadatmanaha tannishtaha tatparayanaha gachanti apunaravrittim jnana-nirdhuta kalmashaha. Om. Hold the realization of yourself as your supreme goal. Intellectually pursue that. Let your mind be absorbed in that. Strive for that. If you do all that, all the hindrances will be destroyed. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma giving all of us a final message, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now it is very important for every one of us to respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall hold the realization of myself as my supreme goal. I shall pursue that. I shall absorb in that. I shall strive for that. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensual enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Shakuntala gave birth to one son. Kanva Maharshi gave name and did all kind of samskaras. And that boy became enough strong to even to play with a lion. So after that, Shakuntala took his son, who is Harehe Amsamsa Sambhutam, who is the spark of Sakshat Paramatma. Shakuntala took her son, went to Dushyanta. But Dushyanta did not accept them. At that time, one Akasavani heard, saying that, "O Raja, this son is your son." According to Vedas, father is again born in the form of a son. So that is why you have to accept this son, your son, and you cannot insult Shakuntala. O Dushyanta are real father to this son. And Shakuntala is saying true. Like that Akasavani heard and Dushyanta accepted them. After some time Dushyanta departed. Then that son, Chakravarti Mahayasaha Mahima Giyate Tasya Harehe Amsa Bhuvo Bhuvi. He became the emperor of entire world, entire universe. He is known as a spark of Sakshat Sriman Narayana. He is praised like that. Like that Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 5th chapter 17th sloka. Tadbuddhayastadaatmanaha tannishthaastatparayanaha gacchantya punaravrittim jnana kalmashaha. Tadbuddhayastadaatmanaha tannishthaastatparayanaha gacchantya punaravrittim jnana kalmashaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.